Welcome to our journey through the cosmos. The universe is a vast and mysterious place full of wonders that never cease to amaze us. From the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, there's always something new to discover. Today we're diving into 20 mind-blowing facts about the universe that will leave you in awe. Fasten your seatbelts and prepare to have your mind blown wide open. When we gaze up at the night sky, we're looking back in time. The light from distant stars takes years, centuries, even millennia to reach us. That faint glimmer, a whisper from the past, tells us the universe hasn't always existed. Around 13.8 billion years ago, our universe was born in an event we call the Big Bang. It's hard to fathom such immense timescales, but by studying the faint afterglow of the Big Bang, known as the cosmic microwave background radiation, we can piece together the early history of the universe. Imagine a beach stretching as far as the eye can see, every grain of sand representing a star. Now, multiply that beach by all the beaches on Earth and you're still not even close to the number of stars in the universe. The sheer scale of it all is simply astounding. Astronomers estimate there are over 100 billion trillion stars in the observable universe. That's a 1 followed by 22 zeros. And keep in mind, that's just the observable universe, the part we can see from Earth. The universe might extend far beyond that, teeming with even more stars. On Venus, a day lasts longer than a year. How is that possible, you ask? It all comes down to Venus's unusual rotation. Venus rotates incredibly slowly on its axis, taking a leisurely 243 Earth days to complete one rotation. However, it zips around the Sun much faster, completing an orbit in just 225 Earth days. So a day on Venus, measured from sunrise to sunrise, is actually longer than its year. Chapter 4. A galactic collision in slow motion. The universe is a dynamic and ever-changing place, and our galaxy, the Milky Way, is no exception. In fact, we're on a collision course with our galactic neighbor Andromeda. Don't worry though, this cosmic clash won't happen for another 4 billion years or so. Andromeda and the Milky Way are hurtling towards each other at a speed of about 250,000 miles per hour. When they collide, it will be a slow and graceful dance lasting billions of years. The two galaxies will merge, their stars flung into new orbits, eventually forming a giant elliptical galaxy. Chapter 5. Wandering Worlds. Not all planets are content to orbit stars. Out there in the vast emptiness of space roam rogue planets, celestial nomads wandering the galaxy alone. These planets were likely ejected from their star systems early in their formation, flung out into the void by gravitational interactions with other planets. Rogue planets are incredibly difficult to detect, as they emit no light of their own. But astronomers have found evidence for their existence, using techniques like gravitational microlensing, where the gravity of a rogue planet bends the light from a distant star. Chapter 6. A Martian mountain. Mars, the red planet, is home to the largest volcano in our solar system, Olympus Mons. This monstrous mountain dwarfs even Mount Everest here on Earth. Olympus Mons is a shield volcano, formed by lava flows over millions of years. It stretches across an area about the size of the state of Arizona and rises to a staggering height of 16 miles, making it 3 times taller than Mount Everest. The volcano's massive size is likely due to the lack of plate tectonics on Mars, allowing the lava to build up in one spot for eons. Deep within the hearts of collapsed stars lie neutron stars, some of the densest objects in the universe. Imagine squeezing a star as massive as our sun into a sphere the size of a city. That's a neutron star. They're so dense that a sugar cube-sized amount of neutron star material would weigh about 1 billion tons on Earth. Neutron stars spin rapidly, emitting beams of radiation from their poles. If these beams happen to sweep across Earth, we see them as pulsars, flashing like cosmic lighthouses. When we look out into the universe, we're actually looking back in time. The light from distant galaxies has taken billions of years to reach us, showing us what the universe looked like in its infancy. The observable universe is a sphere with a radius of about 46.5 billion light-years, centered on Earth. This is the portion of the universe we can currently observe, limited by the speed of light and the age of the universe itself. There may be much more out there beyond our cosmic horizon waiting to be discovered. Black holes are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. They're formed when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives. Black holes warp the fabric of space-time, creating a deep gravitational well. As you approach a black hole, time slows down relative to observers farther away. This effect, known as time dilation, is one of the strangest predictions of Einstein's theory of general relativity. If you were to fall into a black hole, you'd be stretched out like spaghetti by the intense tidal forces. This process, aptly named spaghettification, is a testament to the extreme nature of these cosmic behemoths. Chapter 10. More trees than stars. It may surprise you to learn that there are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way galaxy. While our galaxy boasts hundreds of billions of stars, Earth is home to an estimated 3 trillion trees. That's right, trees outnumber stars in our corner of the cosmos. This remarkable fact highlights the incredible diversity and abundance of life on our planet, even in the grand scheme of the universe. Chapter 11. The Sun, our stellar ruler. The Sun, our very own star, is the undisputed king of the solar system. It accounts for a whopping 99.86% of the total mass in our solar system. To put that into perspective, imagine the solar system as a grapefruit. The Sun would be the grapefruit itself, and all the planets, moons, asteroids, and comets would be like a few scattered grains of sand clinging to its surface. The Sun's immense gravity holds our solar system together, dictating the orbits of all the planets and other celestial bodies. Chapter 12. A teaspoon of star stuff. Let's revisit the incredible density of neutron stars. These stellar remnants are so tightly packed that a single teaspoonful of neutron star material would weigh about 6 billion tons. That's equivalent to the weight of about 900 Great Pyramids of Giza, crammed into a space smaller than a sugar cube. The mind-boggling density of neutron stars is a testament to the extreme conditions found in the hearts of collapsed stars. Space is generally considered a very cold place, but there are regions that are colder than others. The Boomerang Nebula, located about 5,000 light-years away from Earth, holds the record for the coldest known place in the universe. Its temperature plunges to a frigid -458 degrees Fahrenheit, just a smidgen above absolute zero, the lowest possible temperature. The Boomerang Nebula is a planetary nebula, formed when a dying star sheds its outer layers of gas and dust. The gas is expanding rapidly, cooling as it does so, which contributes to its extremely low temperature. If our sun were a basketball, Uy-Scuti would be a skyscraper towering over 12 miles high. Uy-Scuti is a red hypergiant star located about 9,500 light-years away in the constellation Scutum. With a radius approximately 1,700 times larger than our sun, it's one of the largest known stars in the universe. If Uy-Scuti were at the center of our solar system, its surface would extend beyond the orbit of Jupiter, engulfing Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars in its fiery embrace. The world of the very small is just as mind-boggling as the vastness of space. Consider this. There are more molecules in a single cup of water than there are cups of water in all the oceans on Earth combined. Molecules are incredibly tiny, consisting of 2 or more atoms bonded together. The sheer abundance of molecules in even a small amount of matter highlights the incredible complexity and diversity of the universe at the atomic level. The universe is not static, it's constantly expanding. This groundbreaking discovery was made in the 1920s by astronomer Edwin Hubble, who observed that distant galaxies are moving away from us. Moreover, the expansion of the universe is accelerating. This means that the galaxies are not just moving apart, the space between them is actually stretching, causing them to recede from each other at an ever-increasing rate. The driving force behind this cosmic expansion is thought to be dark energy, a mysterious force that makes up about 68% of the total energy density of the universe. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is home to a storm of epic proportions, the Great Red Spot. This swirling vortex of clouds is so large that it could swallow Earth whole. The Great Red Spot has been raging for at least 400 years, ever since astronomers first observed it in the 17th century. While its size and intensity have fluctuated over time, it shows no signs of disappearing anytime soon. The storm's longevity is a testament to the turbulent and dynamic nature of Jupiter's atmosphere. Saturn's rings are one of the most iconic and mesmerizing sights in our solar system. These rings are not solid structures but are actually made up of countless icy particles, ranging in size from tiny grains to chunks as big as houses. The particles are thought to be remnants of comets, asteroids, or shattered moons that were torn apart by Saturn's gravity. The rings are constantly moving, with particles colliding and interacting with each other, creating a mesmerizing cosmic ballet. On a clear night, far from city lights, you might catch a glimpse of a faint, fuzzy patch of light in the constellation Andromeda. That smudge is the Andromeda Galaxy, the closest major spiral galaxy to our own Milky Way. Located about 2.5 million light-years away, it's a vast collection of stars, gas, and dust, similar in size and structure to our own galaxy. In about 4 billion years, Andromeda and the Milky Way will collide and merge, creating a spectacular cosmic dance that will reshape our galactic neighborhood. The Hubble Space Telescope, launched in 1990, has revolutionized our understanding of the universe. Orbiting high above Earth's atmosphere, Hubble has provided us with breathtaking images of distant galaxies, nebulae, and star clusters. Its observations have helped astronomers determine the age of the universe, study the expansion of the universe, and probe the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy. Hubble's legacy is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and our insatiable curiosity about the cosmos. Thanks for joining us on this cosmic journey. We've explored the vastness of the universe, from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, and uncovered some of its most mind-blowing secrets. The universe is a place of endless wonder, and there's always something new to discover. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing facts about the universe. Stay curious, and keep exploring the stars.